Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that gets a lot of questions. Can you be a high-performing athlete while following a vegan diet? For years, athletes have been told they need meat for protein and strength. But the truth is, there are incredible vegan athletes out there crushing it in every sport imaginable. I myself am a vegan athlete, and I'm here to debunk some myths and show you how a plant-based diet can fuel your fitness goals. Myth number 1. Vegans don't get enough protein. This is simply not true. Plant-based sources like legumes, tofu, tempeh, nuts, seeds, and even some grains are packed with protein. Plus, with a little planning, you can easily hit your daily protein needs. There are tons of great resources online to help you create balanced vegan meal plans. Don't forget about all the complete proteins you can get from combining different plant-based foods, like rice and beans. Myth number 2. Vegans lack energy. Again, not true. A well-planned vegan diet is rich in complex carbohydrates, fruits, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy throughout the day. You'll be ditching the afternoon slump and feeling great during your workouts. Think about it. Some of the world's top endurance athletes, like ultramarathoners and distance runners, are thriving on vegan diets. They're proving that plants can provide the energy you need to conquer any challenge. Myth number 3. Vegan diets are restrictive. Absolutely not. The vegan world is exploding with delicious and innovative options. From plant-based burgers to protein bowls and jackfruit tacos, you'll never get bored. Plus, you'll be fueling your body with good-for-you ingredients. Eating vegan doesn't have to be complicated. There are tons of easy recipes available online, and grocery stores are increasingly offering a wider variety of plant-based options. So if you're considering going vegan or wondering if it's compatible with your athletic goals, I say give it a try. You might be surprised at how strong, energetic, and overall amazing you feel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant-powered content. Let me know in the comments below what questions you have about vegan fitness, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.